Let's talk about our supplies here a little bit. I have a variety of stencils and masks here. I have some other objects to create texture with. I have several different types of paper here. I have various colors of cardstock. This is just black copy paper. And then I have a couple different sizes of rice paper. I have my jelly pad, of course. And then I have my brayers. I have some paper to do roll off on. And then this is to help press the stamps in. I'm just starting out here showing you how I like to set my papers up. This is called registering, so this makes it easier for me to make sure the paper goes back to the same place on the jelly pad every time I move it. So I am still figuring out my techniques and all that. So this is really just going to be a little bit of watching me print so you can see my process. I do plan on doing another video at a later date to go over more specifics of what I'm doing. But right now I'm still relaxing into this and I'm just having so much fun at playing and exploring that I just wanted to share that with you guys. So you'll see I'm using this tool here to really work the paint into the papers. And that gets a little boring to watch that over and over and over again. So I'm going to kind of be cutting that out. I'm going to be cutting out some of the rolling of the paint on so that you guys can just kind of see how I'm building the layers here, because I think that's the most important part of this right now. And we can get to more specifics later, but yeah, just sit back, enjoy watching the layers build, and if you have any questions, leave them in the drop down below. And I hope you guys have a beautiful day. Thank you so much for joining me.
Coffee in a paper cup, the engine starts right up. Clip myself into the middle seat. Daddy liked talk radio. On gravel he would drive real slow. He told me let's go see what we could see. We pulled into the empty lot before the pavement got too hot. Underneath her leafy crown, the only shade for miles and miles around. With branches low like spiral stairs, we climbed into her maiden hair. You feel like you can really fly up there. My hand in his so patiently, we watched from our proud little tree. We hummed a little song to me. Suddenly the air would shake, the jet plane filled up all the space. The wheels went up and got so near, the leaves would fall like paper tears. Our ears still ringing with the sound. We were floating off the ground. I still feel it even now. Feeling caged, sunset, lights out. I'm fading, angels on my name. Move on, just move on. Falling so deep, deep below. Not alright. You get no sleep, time's too slow. Can't keep fighting. Used to be free, but now I'm just losing my mind. It's all in my head, it's all in my head. Not too long ago, I still felt a joy. Not a pressure on my chest. Try to stand as way to control it. I don't wanna live a life like this. Falling so deep, deep below. Not alright. You get no sleep, time's too slow. Can't keep fighting. Used to be free, but now I'm just losing my mind. It's all in my head, it's all in my head. Try to breathe, 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 try to breathe. Falling so deep, deep below. Not alright. You get no sleep, time's too slow. Can't keep fighting. Used to be free, but now I'm just losing my mind. It's all in my head, it's all in my
About to leave, already packing. Come with me, I'm not really asking. We'll get away to a place where we don't know. About to see the world in action, what we can be, life with no distractions. We'll get away, this is what we waited for. Take my hand, we'll make it somehow. We can't miss out. I'm done living life with the lights out, die with my own doubts. Be free with me. Be free. Be free with me. Be free. Not looking back, eyes on the freeway, Bonnie and Clyde, a classic cliche. We're on the run, this is what we waited for. Oh, yeah. Take my hand, we'll make it somehow. We can't miss out. I'm done living life with the lights out, die with my own doubts. Be free with me.
on the graves, in the cracks of 1,000 leaves, somewhere in between our past and our future, rolling over all the dividing things. Are you still listening? Wanna be heard by you? Slow fall into the Indian Sea, where the cold and the hot meet, and the powers that be lead. When it's morning and my soul is clear, I look in the mirror and I see that love rolling over. You call me back to bed, I find myself again staring at the edge, slow fall into the Indian Sea, where the cold and the hot meet, and the powers that be. I rise a child again, wake up a wild wind takes me there.
Here we are with the final results, and I am just so happy with these. These are going to make some gorgeous papers for collage work. So much depth here. Different angles show different pieces. Loving this. Look how cool that is. I like how some of them have a more organic feel, some of them have more modern, more vintage. Lots of variety here. Okay, that's it, and I hope you all have a beautiful day today.